Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can check available storage on the iPhone 13 series. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on General, then tap on About. Next, go down and look for the available information. This is available information for your storage capacity. So at the top here, it is the maximum storage capacity for the iPhone 13 Pro. And because the phone also use up some storage space for the operating system, so even after you have reset your device, you may see the available storage capacity is somewhat less than the actual maximum capacity size. And yeah, if you're running out of space on your device, you can check for the songs or videos or photos or application that is installed on your device, and you can manage your device accordingly. So if you're running out of space, you want to go back into settings. Okay, back into settings, and in general, you go down to iPhone storage. In here, you can check to see what is using up the storage space, and in here you can act accordingly. So let's say this game here was last used a few months ago, and because it hasn't been used for a while, you may want to choose to delete this app to reclaim 2.63 gigabytes, for instance. And that's it. So that's how you can check for available storage space on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.